Ever wondered about that gut feeling that seems to guide you, that inner voice that whispers words of wisdom, seemingly out of nowhere? This, dear listeners, is the fascinating phenomenon we call intuition. Intuition, often referred to as our sixth sense, is the ability to understand or know something immediately, without the need for conscious reasoning. It is an unconscious process, a quick and ready insight that surfaces without any apparent thought. An uncanny feeling that just seems to know the right course of action or the truth of a situation. Picture the mind as an iceberg. The tip that's visible above the water represents our conscious mind, and the vast expanse beneath the surface represents the subconscious mind. Intuition is the product of the subconscious mind. It absorbs and processes information that our conscious mind may overlook, and it's this processed information that surfaces as intuition. But how do we know if it's intuition or just a random thought? Intuition often comes with a certain feeling of certainty, a compelling force that's hard to ignore. It's a gut feeling that holds a deep sense of conviction, without any tangible reason. Now, the tricky part is trusting this intuition. It can seem quite daunting, especially when there's no logical explanation to back it up. But remember, intuition is the subconscious mind's way of communicating. It's an accumulation of experiences, observations, and knowledge that may not be readily available to the conscious mind. The key to trusting intuition lies in understanding its nature. It is not a wild guess or a whim. It is an informed insight that taps into the vast reservoir of the subconscious mind. It's like having a personal guide, constantly nudging us towards what it perceives as the right path. Listening to intuition, however, requires a certain level of mindfulness. It requires quieting the constant chatter of the conscious mind to tune into the subtle whispers of the subconscious. Like any other skill, it takes practice to discern these intuitive insights and act upon them. To summarize, intuition is an unconscious process that provides quick and ready insights. It's a product of the subconscious mind which absorbs and processes information beyond the reach of our conscious awareness. Identifying intuition often comes with a feeling of certainty, a strong gut feeling that's hard to ignore. Trusting intuition involves recognizing its nature as an informed insight, not a random guess. And finally, listening to intuition requires mindfulness, a quiet, conscious mind that can tune into the subtle whispers of the subconscious. So the next time that gut feeling or inner voice surfaces, pause for a moment. It might be your intuition, your subconscious mind trying to guide you. And with understanding and practice, you might just find that this sixth sense becomes a trusted advisor in the journey of life.